So guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I quickly want to make a short video on what is happening to BTC and what we should be expecting. So first of all, one thing I want to explain to you guys is how to really understand how this the bearish engulfing or the bullish engulfing candlestick works. One thing you need to understand is this. If you can see it here, this most people will call this bullish engulfing candlestick, bearish engulfing candlestick rather, bearish engulfing candlestick even before this formed. This is not a bearish engulfing candlestick, but this is a bearish engulfing candlestick because it is bigger than this. So what we're seeing here, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick. But why is it that this is not playing out? This is not really pushing to the downside as we all expected. So I'm going to explain this and also show you guys what I'm looking at using this indicator called the Ichimoku. So this Ichimoku, I'm using the default settings, and the default settings here is 9, 26, 52, 26. So let's quickly look at what is happening here. First of all, I'm going to take it back to when we had the bullish run. Okay, let me use BTC. I want to use the chart that has previous data. Okay, okay, let me use the one that did not draw any trend line. Let's use Bitstamp. I'm going to okay, have this. So let's take it back to think 2019, yeah, 2019, when we had that bullish move to the upside. Okay, this is it here. So so if you look at it very well, since price, okay, let's start from this level. So if you look at it from here up to this level here, we had two different things that kept on repeating itself over and over and over again. What are those things? First thing first you need to understand is the price here keep bouncing on the blue EMA and the red EMA. The blue EMA here is called the Tankensin, while the red EMA here is called the Kijunsin. So the red EMA is the slower moving average, while the blue EMA here is the fastest EMA. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is this. There are different signals for you to confirm that the market is now in a bearish move. First thing first, we want the price to close below these 2 EMA, and we should have a bearish TK cross. This tanking thing is called the T, while the Kijunsin is called K. So that's why we call it the TK bearish cross. So if the blue crosses the red from top to bottom, it's giving a bearish signal, but it is not confirmed until the body of the candlestick closes below this cloud, this green cloud. So what am I saying? You can see the body of the candlestick did not close below this. So what I really want to show you guys is this. From this level to this, we only got this this move below this 2 EMA. But what I want you guys to really look out for is how price has been bouncing on the blue EMA and most times drop back down to drop to test the red EMA. Now we're having the same thing repeating itself here again, which we need to pay attention to. So we're seeing the same thing happening here again. You can see since price moved above this red cloud, and whenever you see a red flat cloud, a red Kijun, flat Kijun, it's telling you that level is a perfect level to either buy back or a support level. So since price broke out from this downtrend to the upside, we'll be getting price bounce on the blue EMA and bounce on the Kijun. So what we'll call this is the Kijun bounce here. So the same thing we'll likely see here, like a continuation to the upside. So back to the bearish engulfing candlestick. I want to explain this to you guys so that you guys will really understand what I'm trying to pass across. Whenever you see a bearish engulfing candlestick here, it is not 100% confirmed that it will continue to go down. What you need to understand is, let me zoom this out. Let me zoom this out. What you need to understand is, look at where the red candlestick, normally when the green candlestick opens at the bottom and closes at the top, that's why you see it moving up. While the red candlestick opens at the top and closes at the bottom. So when this moved down and closed here, this we can say is bigger than this, so it has engulfed this. So now the next candlestick must close way below where this closed. Sorry for that. So the red candlestick this current candlestick must close way below where this current candlestick closed. So that is what we should pay attention to. We should pay attention to that level, which is this particular low here. Now let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So I'm looking at this again. I'm looking at this level. So let me remove this. Let me remove this. So I'm looking at this level again. I'm looking at this major support and resistance level. So like I said, whenever you want to look at your levels, please make sure you pay attention to your support and resistance level. We had the same thing here. Resistance, resistance, broke out, came down to test that previous resistance, now future support, test it again, tested it again, went back on up and broke it to the downside. Now we tried to go back up, but now this support has turned to what? Future resistance, 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 now testing that support. So we need to be very careful within these levels here and here. So if price breaks down to this level, we might likely get head and shoulder here, head and shoulder, which would if you go back to the previous chart, the previous video I did, talked about price going back to around 20k, which is the major resistance price broke out from, which is here, So we need to pay attention to this level, though this major breakout candlestick, which has given us a confirmation that, okay, price has violated this previous resistance and it came back to this level, held on within that level before it broke out. So there is high probability we're going to get down to this level, or we consolidate more and more to form a bullish chart pattern here before breaking out. So we're going to see a lot and a lot of invalidation, and we're going to see a lot and a lot of price going up and down, liquidation, and the rest here. So you need to be very, very careful when you're trading within this level. So I think that is just what I'm looking at in BTC USD. I'm going to make a lot and a lot of videos showing you guys what you should be expecting during the week. So thank you guys and enjoy the rest of your day.